taken as f of t, what it will be? 5 by s square plus 25 sin t, 1 by s square plus 1. Later I need to differentiate this and simplify this. So in the differentiation process, 2s will be in the numerator. So straight away, it answer may be 1 by 2. 2, 2 5s are 10. 2s times 5, so 10s by s square plus 25 whole square plus 2s times 1, 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. If I'm not wrong, this would be its answer. And in this, what they tried is 2 gets cancelled. So here is the 5, here is 1. That's only the thing here they made. If you can think quick, you can avoid this many steps at the time of practice. But in examination, you must show your steps clearly. During the examination, you must show your steps clearly. Similarly, here is cos ht. Cos h can be written as in terms of e power functions, exponential function, e power t plus e power minus t by 2. Instead of this, I can write. So here, t e power t. So multiplication with the t, first shifting property, then normal. So like this, you have to move. T square. So t square means I need to differentiate twice, which is equal to minus 1 whole square times d square by ds square of f of s. F of s is 2 by s square plus 4. This is so minus 1 square. What's the one time differentiation? 2s, 2 2s are 4, 4s by s square plus 4 whole square. One more differentiation, but here u by v formula will be there. Since numerator also having s, denominator also having s, you have to find that one. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1, so I'm not worrying about that. S square plus 4 whole power 4, s square plus 4 whole square. Differentiation of this will be 4, because the s differentiation of s is 1. 1 time 4, 4 minus 4s. Differentiation of this is 2 times s square plus 4 times, again it's the differentiation 2s, again it's differentiation 2s. So altogether it will be I think 1 s square plus 4 can cancel, will be 3. So 4 times s square plus 4, so 4s square plus 16 minus 4s times 4s, 16s square by denominator s square plus 4 whole power 3. So 16 minus 12 s square. (16 minus 12 s square). Okay. And here again, second difference, t square means second differentiation. By using the second differentiation of this cos hat, cos hat is here guys, two ways that I can proceed. The one way is cos hat differentiate twice. Okay, I'll show you here. L times t square cos hat, which is equals to L times t square cos hat is e power at plus e power minus at by 2. I can write in that 1 by 2 L of e power at times t square plus 1 by 2 L of e power minus at times t square, which is equal to 1 by 2. Here I may give least priority to e power at. So L of t square is L of t square 2 factorial by s cube. So 2 by s cube. S means here plus, so minus s minus a whole cube plus 1 by 2. Same logic, 2 by s plus a whole cube. 2 to get cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Finally, I may get here 1 by s minus a whole cube plus 1 by s plus a whole cube, or s square minus a square whole cube can be written in numerator s cube, so 2s cube. Second term gets cancelled because minus and plus. Third term again comes twice, plus 3 3 is 6 s a square. This would be our answer. When if you are taken e power at as like this, or if you're not interested, another way, L of t square into cos hat, which can be written here. Yeah, f of t is taken as cos hat. Then f of s would be s by s square minus s square. So by using that, L of t square cos hat can be written as minus 1 whole square times d square by ds square of s by s square minus s square. This can be simplified, which is equals to here. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1, no issues at all. I cannot differentiate twice at a time. So one time d by ds s square minus s square whole square. Numerator s square minus s square. Guys, the purpose of explaining the two methods is which sometimes this method is comfortable, sometimes that method is comfortable. So if you are aware, it would be good. Differentiation of numerator is 1 minus numerator, differentiation of the denominator is 2s. And further simplification here, which is equals to s square minus a square minus 2s square. So minus a square minus s square by s square minus a square whole square. Here is minus s square, here is minus 2s square plus s square, so minus s square. Then further s square minus a square whole, whole square whole power 4. So s square minus a square whole square. Differentiation of the numerator is its differentiation is 0, its differentiation is minus 2s minus. So if I take minus common, will be s square plus s square, and the differentiation of this is 2 times s square minus s square times again its differentiation, so will be 2s. The cancellations one time and one time gets cancelled, so will be 3, which is equals to s square minus s square, so we'll be getting minus 4s minus 2s cube minus 2s cube here, plus 2a square s, and here plus 2 2s are 4, 4 a square s plus 4 s cube divided by denominator s square minus a square whole cube. Further simplification, 4s cube minus 2s cube, it will be 2s cube. 2s cube plus 6 a square s divided by s square minus a square whole cube. So this is okay, friends. 2s cube plus 6 a square s by s square minus a square whole cube. 2s cube minus 6 a square s by s square minus a square whole cube. Either of that you can proceed. They can go with either of that. So both the methods here, what he considered is f of t is f of t is taken here cos hat. This is taken as a f of t is taken as a cos hat in this. So anyhow, both I have explained here. And till now we handled with multiplied with t. Heavy. If the same is instead of multiplication, if it is a division, if it is in the division, what may have happened? So that one we are going to handle now. So Laplace transformation with 1 by t. Simple logic, friends. With the multiplication, I have differentiated. With in division, I need to, it's reciprocal or opposite. Differentiation opposite is integral. So that would be the logic. So now L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of f of t by t equals to integral s to infinity, integral s to not 0 to s to infinity, f of s by d, f of s ds. So you have to find f of s. Later, you have to integrate from s to infinity. Then it's a proof. F of s 0 to infinity. The 0 to infinity, f of s is equal to standard formula 0 to infinity. Then that is integrated from s to infinity. F of s is integrated with s to infinity. So s to infinity. Only that will be affected to this. That will be affected only to this. What may happen? Integral of f, integral of e power minus st ds, e power minus st by minus t from the limits here. S to infinity is given. S to infinity. What it may be happen? For upper limit, it will be 0. For lower limit, e power minus st by minus t. That to this is lower limit, so minus minus gets cancelled. So I may get here e power st by t. So in that way, I got here integration. For this earlier, I differentiate with respect to s. Now I need to integrate with respect to s from s to infinity. That's only the logic behind that. For the differentiation, for multiplication with the t, I have differentiated with respect to s. Now for division t, I integrated with respect to s from s to infinity. That would be the logic. So how many times, how many d's are there? That many times I have to integrate. No other option. So similarly here, that's what he gave. If t square is there, division with t square, though I need to integrate with respect to twice with respect to s, ds. But here some people may commit mistake. They'll write integral s to infinity, integral s to infinity, f of s ds. Guys, for every integral with respect to which variable you are integrating, that is mandatory. So here ds is missing. Some people they habituated to miss the ds. So in that their marks will be deducted. So don't become a reason yourself to lose your mark. Each and every number is important here, friends. Each and every number is important. Yeah. So then L of 1 by t sin t, same logic. For sin t, integration is sorry, for sin t, f of s is 1 by s square plus 1. What would be its integration? 1 by t means integral 1 by s square plus 1 from s to infinity ds. Clearly 1 by s square plus s square is tan inverse. So 1 by a tan inverse, a equal to 1. So tan inverse yes, limits 0 to infinity. So what do you may get here? Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse yes. That's it. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse yes. Or another formula also there. In inverse trigonometry function, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Similarly, cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x equal to pi by 2, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So instead of the pi by 2 minus tan inverse x can be written as cot inverse x also, cot inverse s also here. Then L of 1 by t e power minus t sin t. Again, division with t, e power minus t. As per earlier practice, better you give the last priority. Try to simplify this. L of sin t by t, I think, yeah, we have this. L of sin t by t. Sin t by t is cot inverse s. Now, L of e power minus t times L of minus t times sin t by t, which is equals to here, same cot inverse s minus means plus. Replace s by s plus a. Replace s by s plus a. That is okay. So what he tried here, he did with initially, but I want to give the last priority. Otherwise, the complexity of this solution is increased. Better if you skip the e power t, give the last priority. Only you need to replace with s by s plus a or s by s minus a. This is only the thing that you need to handle. So that's the reason I would like to give the e power function to the last priority. As shifting property, it will be given last priority. That made pretty comfortable. Here also the same. L of sin 3t by t. Sin 3t by t means 3 will be there in the numerator. 3 will be there in the numerator to the earlier function, and 9 s square plus 9. Okay, so that's what 3 will be there in the numerator. Here will be 9. So finally here 3 by s square plus 9. That is f of s. That's integration 1 by 3. 3 3 gets cancelled. I may have tan inverse pi by 2 minus tan inverse, or simply cot inverse. I can go cot inverse s by 3. Later minus 4, so plus 4 will be plus 4. Cot inverse s plus 4, cot inverse s plus 4 by 3. It would be the answer. Let us check what do you get here. Yeah, that's what. Okay, no need. Okay, forget about that. Cos t by t, similar logic. Sin square t. Yeah, I cannot integrate square of a trigonometric or powers of the trigonometric ratios. I need to eliminate the powers or convert in terms of multiple angles. So sin square t is further written here 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Then L of 1 by 2 times L of 1 cos 2t. Then integrate with respect to s. So 1 by s. Here log infinity value we don't know. Log infinity value we don't know. What will you do is here 1 by 2 log. If I simplify here, if you simplify here, log infinity you don't know, so you thought that you don't know. Better you combine this. Log s 1 by 2 taken common, log s minus instead of this 1 by 2 can be written as square root. So 1 by 2 times log s by square root of s square plus 4. What I need to do here it is, friends, s to infinity. Take s common from the numerator denominator. I may get here 1 by 2 times log 1 by under root of 1 plus 4 by s. Now what may happen here? something by infinity is 0, so 1 by root 1, log 1 is 0. In that sense, it will be right. Once again, here, if I take s is common, from the both numerator and denominator, if I take s is common in the numerator and denominator, root s square is yes, so s can be taken, cancel, and I will be get 1 by 1 under root of 1 plus 4 by s. So if
Sir,
I substitute upper limit, yeah, Bashir,
4 by s square, no, sir.
4 by s square.
1 plus 4 by x square.
Sorry, s square to be there. Anyhow, whether it is s square or something, 4 by infinity, it's my mistake. It's 4 by s square is right. 4 by infinity is something by infinity is 0, will be 1 plus 0. Under root of 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So log 1 is 0. So for upper limit, this whole value will be 0. Only lower limit will be exist. So minus 1 by 2 times. Minus 1 by 2 times. Or I can reverse this. Under root of s square plus 4 by s. That's what. That here under root is taken away, and later he multiplied with 1 by 4. Depend upon your convenience, you can go. And 1 by t times e power minus at minus e power minus vt. Don't write this as hyperbolic functions, because this a is different and this b is different. Suppose if both are a or both are b, then you can write. Here some people may commit mistakes. So do remember, this is a, this is b. So find this separately and find this separately. Then L of 1 by t, suppose earlier logic may not be helpful for you here. L of 1 by t, what I can write here? L of 1 by t means if I write this L of t power minus 1 as per the formula gamma of n plus 1, gamma of n plus 1, n plus 1, in place of n there is minus 1, gamma of 0 by s power 0. S power 0, 1, no issues, but gamma of 0 is not defined. Gamma of 0 not defined. So don't take that priority now here. Just don't take that priority here to the e power at last. So you need to switch depend upon the situation. Here, this is the best example for that. This is the best example. So first, you have to simplify this. Later, you need to apply. As per earlier practices, we gave this last priority. Then we give the f of t. So here, you have to take the f of t is e power minus at. The reason, simple reason. L of 1 by t is not defined. Why it is not defined? Gamma of 0. Gamma is not defined for 0. Gamma of 1 is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, no issues. But gamma of 0 is not defined. That's what in the definition we mentioned very clearly. For n greater than 0, in the definition of gamma function, very clearly it's specified for n greater than 0. So that's reason this will be given the second priority. This will be given first priority now. This is the last priority. Yeah, 558. Any doubt? Okay. So 1 by s plus a, 1 by s plus b, integrating that, and log s plus a by log s plus b, and so on. Similarly, here sin 3t cos 2t, multiply into 2, divide with 2, 2 sin a cos b. Just a second, friends. Sorry friends, I got an urgent call. Okay, so here L of 1 by t f of t s to infinity. Okay, not a big deal. So 1 minus cos t. 1 minus cos t. So L of 1 Laplace transform or Laplace transform of cos t. Later integrate twice with respect to s. That's what. Yeah, s to infinity ds. Here s to infinity ds. S to infinity s. S to infinity. What happened to this pen? So twice integration and simplify that. Same logic. Whenever do remember, don't simplify straight away. Simplify in a group because log infinity is not defined. So that's the reason we have to combine and take a maximum power of s common from both numerator and denominator. Maximum power of s to be taken common. For numerator and denominator, then apply upper limits. Otherwise, infinity by infinity undetermined form will be there, friends. Same problem. I think we have gone through it. First sine 3t, then 1 by t, then this. If I give this priority like this, first, second, and third. First priority is sine 3t, second priority 1 by t, third priority e power minus 4t. If you plan like that, it will be easy. So for sine 3t, you may get here 3 by s square plus 9. If we integrate this, tan inverse s by 3. Further simplification, pi by 2 minus. So will be written here cot inverse s by 3. If I replace this, the final answer would be cot inverse s plus 4 by 3. That would be the answer. Okay. Sine square t by t. So again, sine square t is, of course, I think this problem is repeated. This is also repeated. Sine 3 are repeated. Cos at by t square. 1 minus cos t by repeated. Till this, I would like to conclude whatever we discussed here. In this class, we have handled change of scale property, which means if f of t is the t variable t is multiplied with a, then its Laplace transform will be 1 by a f of s by a. Then multiplication with t we handled. Multiplication with t means that d by ds of f of s. How many times that you are performing the multiplication, that many times you have to perform the differentiation. At the same time, that many number of times you need to multiply minus 1. Similarly, 1 by t. So 1 by t means integral s to infinity f of s ds. It's Laplace transform. So how many times that you are performing this division, that many times you need to perform the integration. So rest of the topic we may discuss in next session. Tomorrow also we are having the, before wind up the session, any doubts?
This conference will now be recorded.